Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Diva Diya easy method. Start by gathering a shallow clay bowl, cotton wick, ghee or oil, a match or lighter, and a small spoon. Press cotton into a compact wick, scoop a teaspoon of ghee, place wick in center, fill gently to support flame, and trim excess wick to about 3.5 inches before lighting carefully and enjoy its warm glow for meditation or ceremony. Make a secure wick by rolling cotton tightly and folding to form a small tapered tip, then seat it in the diya holder. Pour ghee or oil slowly so the wick anchors and does not float, keeping the tip exposed. Adjust the wick height so only a small portion is above the oil to create a steady, bright flame ideal for rituals or ambient lighting. If using oil, choose a fragrant option for pleasant aroma. Thanks for watching. And if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money. The Simple Path to Wealth is on my shelf and often inspires practical habits. Check description for link and other deals, and share any questions below. I appreciate every like and comment. It really helps me make more helpful content. Now let's get back to the video. Light the diya using a long match or lighter, touching the flame to the wick tip and allowing ghee or oil to soak in for a steady burn. Monitor the flame for the first few minutes, adjusting wick height if it smokes or sputters. Keep a small spoon nearby for adding oil carefully, and never leave the diya unattended near flammable materials during use. Place diya on heat-proof surface and use a tray to catch spills for safe indoor use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.